Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a shoulder spin first move. Knowing how to do lady combs, particularly a straight lady comb, would be really helpful, and knowing how to do a first move obviously would be helpful as well. And that's about it. So I'll put links to those in the description below, so if you need to go back and look at them, it's easy and quick for you to find them. Jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. It starts off with a travelling return. It doesn't have to start with a travelling return. What we need to do is a straight, in fact a short, straight lady comb, but we'll get to that in a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a travelling return to get to 2 hands. Because we've now just done something in a return direction, combing the lady is going to be a short variation. We're using the guy's right hand, lady's left, so it's a straight grip. So it's a short, straight lady comb. And we're basically getting the hand to the lady's right shoulder. We can now let go with the left. We're going to pull with the right. So we're starting to spin the lady in a return direction and bring her across to our side. In the process, the right hand is going to drop down. It's going to go across the back, pick up the lady's left shoulder blade. Lady needs to shrug that left arm so she doesn't catch the guy, so we can then collect. Lady gets all the way around to face the guy. We've got the right hand on the shoulder. Lady's hand is now on the guy's right shoulder. We can be picking up that hand as the weight goes across, and then it's twist out and just finishes the normal first move. In, under and face, return and back. So if we think numbers, we go back, 1, travelling return, 2, 2 hands on 3, comb the lady 4, spinning around and collecting 5, twist out 6, in 7, turn 8, face 1, return 2 and back 3. The only tip I would give to look out for, and I think it's the hardest bit of the move, is the lady's arm as she comes through, to make sure she doesn't clout the guy, because if the lady lets the arm go wide, she's going to hit the fella, and if the lady leaves the arm low, she gets it trapped underneath. So the trick for the lady is to take over the guy's arm and onto his shoulder or onto his upper arm. Both are going to work well. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, shoulder spin, first move. We go a back all the way through, 2 hands, comb, spin, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. And that's that. Hope you enjoyed that. I hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move in the channel. So thank you to everyone who does that. Subscribe and promotes the channel even more. And if you hit the notification bell, you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end comes up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video. Just a music video clip that's nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.